Okay, so right, so what I was saying is, see, the function widgets is called here in the constructor itself. Okay, see, it is a constructor, and after creating or initializing the variables or declaring the variables, you can say, I have called the widgets itself. Okay, so whatever thing is in widgets will work in the constructor itself. Okay, so whenever we run this thing, you can see a changes of widgets. Okay, so what does the widgets have? Very simple. It has everything that which is visible to us at the time. But before I talk about widgets, I want to show you this thing. It is something which should be discussed at the starting, but I forgot. So this is the main function. We know the main function in C, C++, Java also. Similarly, we have main in Python also. So what we are doing here is I am creating. I am actually calling the constructor of the class member, and I am passing the argument b.root, right? So what is b.root? Very simple. Just scroll up. See, import basic as b. What does it means? The basic file is imported as b. That's all. And it has something. The basic file has something called as root. That was the window. Now I am using that b dot the window, and I'm passing this to member constructor. So directly we can see the constructor has called of the member function. Therefore self should be neglected, as I've said earlier. Now here master is not null. Master is the root window which I have given. So dot master is master here. Okay, so this is how I have maintained same background from the basic itself. Okay, now I will be editing using the widgets. So yeah, simple. Okay, so this everything is in widgets. Okay, I will say what it shows. Simple. I am creating a label and I'm storing it in the self.head. Okay, in head variable I am storing the label, and label has the root, that is master, and it says register now. The background is powder blue and the relief is not ridge here, it is raised. Okay, and font is given and this thing. So as you can see, register now, where it is. Okay, yeah, see, the register now is something which is raised and it is in powder blue, right? So this is what this is what I have called as head label, right? If I remove head, then it will remove itself. So I have created another frame with the same thing, root, powder blue, background color, and relief raised. Now in this frame I will add a frame is simple like mini window which is inside our original window. Yeah, just a place in window, that's all, for simplicity. See, this label has the frame which I have created with the powder blue, and see, it has nothing more. Okay, it has nothing more, that's all. So I have used this frame. In this frame I want first name to be in this font, and the padding should be this, and powder blue should be this, and I have used the grid. I have used the grid with sticky vest, right? Now we can see. Okay, yeah, entry. Okay, so see, the first name is written. Now entry is the whole in which you can write. Okay, in this simple language, see, it is the entry. PIYUSH, code engineer, anything you can say. These are the entries, right? So yeah, similarly I have created all these things and buttons in a similar way. Now I have called self.rf1, right? So because the convention I have there, because it is frame is rf, so I have called this function rf1. Okay, so what does the rf1 say? Simple. Initially, see, definition rf1 is here. Okay, now if frame is none, because we haven't passed anything, this will work, that is frame is none, right? If frame is none, it is checking. If frame none is not equal